Hi guys! So I'm here at our roof deck garden. It really makes me... I was climbing. So our roof deck is on the 4th floor. So every time I come up here, I always lose my breath. So this is what I do when I am... so this is my other hobby. So when I'm not doing any lessons, I'm not making videos, I take care of our plants. So here they are. So here we have basil. This is tomato before, guys, but then it died. Here we have, this is very good for if you have, this is oregano. Okay, this is very good if you have cough. Okay, just boil this. And then we have this, I love pepper. So this is, we call this sili espada. Okay, because it looks like a sword. I think it's time for me to harvest some of this. And then another basil here. And another sili. I actually have a lot of sili, guys. And then here, guys, I have sili atsal. This is, I planted this one because I keep using this one in our, I think this one has a lot of aphids because there's a lot of what do you call this, a lot of ants. Then we have pechay. This is very good as well. I see we have another sili here. This one are the spicy chili pepper that we use in our sauces. We put this in our vinegar. Hey Josh. So here another pepper. I love chili pepper, guys. Every time I eat, I will have I'll dip my viand to a vinegar sauce. Okay, so I have lots of pepper. I need to harvest. And this one as well. So do you know how expensive these chili peppers now here in Cebu? This one I think is about, sili espada is 700 to 800 per kilo. I think this one, the per kilo is about more than 100 also. Okay. I also have some tomatoes here. I have a lot of tomatoes before, guys, and this is the remaining tomatoes I have, so I have to plant again. This one, more sili here, and more pechay because I love pechay. This is very good for your soups. And then I also have eggplant here. Okay, so when I'm not teaching, I am planting. I have here, what's this? I don't know what this is. Kalabasa. But I am not successful yet with my kalabasa. It's starting to die. Maybe because it's too hot here on top of the roof deck. We have papaya. I have one fruit here, guys. There. This was, I did not plant this. It just grew here in our planter box here. So I have to clean this. This one is due for cleanup. Okay, Joshi, you might fall. So it's very nice here, guys. This is also eggplant, and then I did not water this anymore because I want this to die now because it's not really giving me fruits. Anyway, so this is the view from here. It's very nice here, guys, and it's windy now. Sometimes I work here when the weather is very nice. Before I have more, but now I'm starting to eliminate some that I cannot really take care of. Look at this one. I really don't know why it's turning green. What's wrong with this eggplant? Look at this one. Some here I planted some ginger, so if I need some ginger, I'll just have to dig here and get some ginger. Okay, and I also have makahiya here, guys. You know, when you touch it, it will close. We call this makahiya. Okay, guys, I'm harvesting this one. This is just coming from one plant. Okay, I'm so happy. I have to share this with the neighbors as well. Some of this I already give some to this to my mom. Salamat, sile. Salamat, sile. Salamat. This one, guys, I'm washing them. So I'm gonna share this with the neighbors because I don't know how to I really do not know how to use all of these. It's too many for our consumption. So I'm just making do of what space I have right now because we don't have a big space. We don't have a big land. So I am planting vegetables in a pot. So this is what I got. Oops. It's many. I still have a lot more in some of the plants, but I did not harvest everything because just too many. Okay, that's all for today. Daghang salamat. I hope you enjoy my harvest of my sili espada and some sili atsal and kamatis. Tomato for kamatis. Okay, bye.